Have you ever wondered if that perfectly browned burger or juicy meatball is truly safe to eat, or if it just looks cooked? It's a common kitchen dilemma, and visual cues can sometimes be misleading. Well, when it comes to ground meat, the definitive way to ensure it is safe for consumption is by checking its internal temperature with a food thermometer. The United States Department of Agriculture recommends that all ground meats, whether beef, pork, veal, or lamb, reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. This specific temperature is a magic number because it effectively eliminates harmful bacteria that can cause foodborne illnesses. Unlike whole cuts of meat, where bacteria typically resided on the surface, ground meat is different. During the grinding process, any bacteria present on the exterior can be mixed throughout the entire batch. This means even if the outside looks perfectly done, the interior could still harbor dangerous pathogens such as E. coli, salmonella, or listeria. Reaching 160 degrees Fahrenheit ensures that these microscopic threats are neutralized, making your meal safe and enjoyable for everyone. To accurately check the temperature, you will need a reliable food thermometer. For thinner patties, insert the thermometer probe sideways into the thickest part of the patty. For thicker items like meatballs or meatloaves, push the probe into the center, making sure it does not go all the way through to the pan or out the other side. It is a good practice to check the temperature in 2 or 3 different spots to ensure consistent cooking throughout. Remember to clean your thermometer with hot, soapy water after each use to prevent cross-contamination. Many home cooks relying on the color of their ground meat to gauge doneness, often looking for a lack of pinkness. However, this is actually an unreliable indicator. Ground meat can brown prematurely due or remain just pink even when fully cooked due to certain pigments and cooking methods. For instance, some ground beef can turn brown before it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, while other types, like ground pork, might stay slightly pink even when safe. That is why a digital instant read thermometer is your best friend in the kitchen, giving you a precise reading in just a few seconds. This small tool offers a huge advantage in food safety, moving you from guesswork to certainty. By understanding why and how to properly measure the internal temperature of ground meat, you are not just following a rule, you are taking a proactive step to protect yourself and your loved ones from foodborne illness. It is a simple habit that brings immense peace of mind, transforming every ground meat dish you prepare into a confidently safe and delicious experience. So grab that thermometer and cook with confidence.